Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech Helpline. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Metamask Wallet using your mobile device. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To log into Metamask Wallet app, first make sure that you have downloaded the application. Once you do, tap on Metamask app to launch it open. To log into your account, if you already have an existing account, you'll need to type in your password in the box displayed on the screen. Simply go ahead and type in your Metamask password that you created while signing up for a new account. Once you type in your password correct, tap on the unlock button at the bottom in order to log into your wallet for Metamask. If you don't remember your password for this particular device, tap on reset wallet button at the bottom and follow the on-screen prompts. Once you enter the correct password, you can simply tap on unlock, and that way you'll be able to log into your Metamask wallet. Pretty simple, isn't it? I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.